Scared you? Sorry. Got a light? Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, what are you doing out on a cold night like this? What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? Yeah.
I'm engaged.
I was merely making polite conversation.
Sorry. It's just been a rough day. And
It's fucking freezing out. Well then, shouldn't you be someplace nice and warm?
I should ask you the same question.
I know a place that's warm and toasty.
Is that an offer?
Aren't you engaged?
I was merely making polite conversation.
Okay. Answer my questions first, and then maybe I'll answer yours.
Beer run. Cigarettes. My roommate's cigarettes, really. I shouldn't even be smoking these.
Ah. Neither should I. Let's walk.
Where are you headed?
Nowhere in particular. Just felt cooped up. Thought I'd walk around. Try to meet somebody.
You're not worried?
What am I worried about? I'm not the one afraid of the dark.
No, it's just that you scared me.
Well, that's okay. You should be afraid of the dark. Let me show you. Don't fight it. It'll only be that much worse if you do.
I hate it when they kill the vampire with a stake in the heart in movies. There's so many other ways to kill him.
Yeah, but it worked the other night. There was a blood taker that broke into my apartment.
What?
Yeah. He's a gothic-looking guy. He's pretty hot, though. But he threw me down on the bed. And he was about to have his way with me. But I grabbed the stake next to my bed and I plunged it to his chest. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I know. You act like you believed me there for a minute. Seen a lot of vampires roaming around town lately.
Rodney?
Dude.
Oh, I know I'm dreaming for sure.
Oh, I'm part of the club too, dude. Man, is it 420 yet? You wish.
Wow. I thought you stayed in your room all day because you were a burnout.
Well, that too, but yeah, Ichi bit me.
Stop telling people that.
It was good too. Man, she had her way. You've been a piece of me.
Medium rare.
So, where are we? Some little out-of-the-way place that only vampires go?
Nah, man, they serve juggalos too.
Okay. Let's say, for the sake of argument, I believe you all are vampires. Why in the heck are you walking around in broad daylight? Shouldn't you be a smoking pile of ash right now?
That's all Hollywood bullshit.
Good afternoon. Are we enjoying the wine?
Yes, thanks, Cillian. I think we're just about ready to order.
Alfredo and a cerveco, por favor. Yeah, bullshit. Shall I run down the top 10 misconceptions about modern vampires?
Let's see. Sunlight's no picnic. House wedge, please.
Garlic doesn't affect us. 1 garlic pepper steak, medium rare, please.
Steak? That'll kill you.
It'll take more than a heart attack to kill me.
And for so?
Water.
Very good, sir.
I thought you all had to kill me, and then I become a vampire and we have to suck each other's blood.
Man, you've seen too many movies.
I haven't seen enough movies!
It's more like a disease. It can be transmitted with a strong enough bite. I contracted it from a guy I met at a club a few years ago. Bastard bit me and dumped me. I haven't seen him since.
Men.
Tell me about it. I'll be back in a flash.
Don't worry about it. Take your time, see?
Speak for yourself. I'm starved.
Is that 10? I lost count.
You would. The only thing they got right is that we need blood to survive.
What about stakes to the heart? Is that the only way you can die, or is that just make-believe as well?
That'll kill anybody, dumbass.
We're just like normal people. Just about anything can kill us. Guns, knives, car wrecks, falling from tall buildings, cancer.
Where were we? Man, oh yeah, we don't turn to animals. Holy water does burn a bit, but that's only because there's salt in it.
No shape-shifting?
Except for me. I'm a master of disguise.
Let's see. I love wearing crosses.
We're not obsessive compulsive. As you may have already noticed, we do cast shadows and have reflections.
Now, we're just like ordinary people, except that we happen to drink blood. Man, how's that going down? And that's the watered down shit. Wait till you hit the hard shit.
That's great!
How do you feel?
Like I've been kicked in the teeth.
That's an acquired taste, but you must get used to it.
I mean, that's like worse than skunk. But I don't want to be an immortal bloodsucker.
We are not immortal. That's the most important thing you must realize. The most dangerous thing to our existence, the biggest threat to our existence, is our hunger.
So I can starve to death. I got it.
No. If you try to starve, your body rebels. It scars you. It decays your mind and disintegrates your spirit. You must drink blood if you want to survive, as long as you want to stay in control. If you go longer than one night, the hunger inside you begins to tear you apart.
True. Pain is horrible, but it can only be quenched by human blood.
Care to take a rain check?
What are you talking about? I'm starved. I just couldn't resist. You have such a cute little neck. It's kind of like trying to keep a cat away from a canary. It's impossible. Please, allow me to introduce myself. What do I want? We want you to join our ranks. Quentin Ashton, is it? Welcome to Club Vampire. This is the fun part. So fasten your seatbelt. It's going to be a bumpy ride. You're not going anywhere. Craving blood yet?
Hey! Are you alive?
Yes.
Are you drunk?
No. Where did she go?
Who?
The girl.
No, I didn't see a girl.
You hit her.
No, no girl. I didn't hit anybody.
No, you hit a girl.
No, you're drunk. You're drunk. You're in the middle of the road and you're drunk. You don't know.
Mister, I assure you I'm not drunk. There was a girl here, and she attacked me.
Want to tell these vampires off?
A very angry vampire is a very angry vampire. We will not make them. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm leaving.
Chill, bro.
Here you go.
All right, thanks for coming by, Jerry.
Peace out, Jerry. Take care, guys. Take care.
All right.
Meow me again. I kinda like it.
Me, yeah.